We are here at Latin Bites. This place has had the longest line all day today. I kid you not. We've been trying to come here for about 30 minutes. Can you tell me a little bit about this place?
Puerto Rican and Cuban fusion. We focus on a lot of classic food in the cuisines of those two countries. So we do a great Cuban sandwich where we cook our pork for 12 hours. We do something called ropa vieja, which is a stewed shredded flank steak. We also do a great pernil over chips with sauce, and that's called the Rican nacho. A lot of traditional stuff like corn fritters, cod fritters, beef patties, all based in Puerto Rican food. But you know, we do fresh yellow rice. We do more or less everything that people that come from there are used to. So everybody loves it.
Beautiful. I need all of that, but it looks like you're sold out of everything.
I got Cuban sandwiches.
You still got Cuban sandwiches. All right, so we're gonna need one of those. I got Big Bobby's in the house. I got one last question for you. What brings you to Megabytes?
We love the events because we like Howard and we're here all the time, man. We respect him and he's doing a good job.
Excellent.
Look at it. There's people everywhere.
Look at it. Look at it. It's crazy.
Yeah.
All right, I appreciate you, Bobby.
You good?
Pleasure to meet you. Amazing. Thank you so much.
Hold up. 11th Street? Y'all ain't heard of him?